and welcome back. We are starting a new playlist, Reading for Meaning. In each episode, a short passage will be read out. How will this series help you? It will give you a regular reading practice. You can listen to me and repeat after me, or you can simply mute the video and you can read on your own. You will get to know the meanings of the words and the phrases in a proper context. So it's way easier to remember them. So let's start. The biggest show in the world, the Rio Carnival. What is it? The Rio De Janeiro Carnival, held annually in the month of February, is a spectacular celebration of life that attracts millions of people onto the streets of the Brazilian city. The whole country stops to watch, either in the city itself or on the television. It's estimated that each year 700,000 visitors come to watch from all over the world. Samba Schools. The music played throughout the carnival procession is called the Samba. Many participants belong to Samba Schools, where they learn to dance and play the music which is so popular throughout Brazil. There are about 30 Samba Schools with thousands of members. They perform for 4 entire nights in a huge arena called the Samba Dome. The schools take part in an official competition and the best of them is awarded a prize. Each school is assessed on its costumes, the theme of its performance and the quality of the music. Some Samba schools hold street parties and perform in their local areas because many people cannot afford to buy a ticket for the official competition. What's the passage about? A general question. What's the passage about? It's about the Rio Carnival, the biggest show in the world. Now let's have a look at some important words first. Carnival, it's a noun, a special occasion or period of public enjoyment and entertainment involving wearing unusual clothes, dancing and eating and drinking, usually held in the streets of a city. For example, there is a real carnival atmosphere in the streets. Spectacular, it's an adjective which means an event or performance that is very exciting to watch and that involves a lot of people. For example, the Olympics climaxed in a spectacular closing ceremony. Next, procession. It's a noun, a line of people who are all walking or traveling in the same direction, especially in a formal way as part of a religious ceremony or public celebration. For example, the dancers leading the procession were in colorful and elaborate costumes. Arena. It's a noun which means a large flat area surrounded by seats used for sports or entertainment. For example, the Olympic Games were conducted in a huge arena. Assess. It's a verb. Assessed is the past tense and assessed is the past participle. It means to judge or decide the value, quality or importance of something. For example, they assessed the cost of the flood damage at $2,500. Test time. First, the meaning of spectacular is grand, tiny, delicious. Procession is always A private event, B, a public event, C, it can be both. Third, to estimate is A, to calculate, B, to minus, C, to add. Number 4, an arena is related to A dining hall, B, sports and entertainment, C, farming. 5. To assess means A, to judge, B, to speak, C, to write. 6. Today, the biggest carnival is held in A, America, B, Brazil, C, Thailand. That's it for today's lesson. We'll be back with a new lesson. Till then, keep learning, keep watching.